Hello everybody, I am Shamosin. You are welcome to the technology focus number 1, that is Kingdom Suite 8.8. In this video you will learn how to create the project, load the data and how to make a base map. It is actually the basic video which is necessary for anything you want to do on Kingdom Suite 8.8. This is the symbol of Kingdom Suite 8.8. Open it. And create the project here. Okay, choose a folder where you want to save your project. I want to save it on the desktop. Make a new folder for this project and name it whatever you want to name it. I want to name it project 3. Okay, now select this folder and name the project. I want to name it BM3 and create it. This is the option for the author name. Absolutely enter the author name, Bushra Mohsin. Or whatever your name is. Okay. This is the option for the select type of project database. I am choosing Auto SQL Server Express. Okay. Okay, choose the units. I am choosing units in meters, metric, like I want my project units, meters or metric, and it is better to choose the units, meters and metric. Okay, this is a seismic datum elevation that is given on your data. Like in my data, this is 400 meters. This is the X and Y increment. You will choose it according to your data, and according to my data these are 200, so I am let it be 200. Okay, this box is asking project map units will be changed. Do you want to change the project map units? So yes, we have changed the units, so we want to change the units for the project, so click yes. Okay, do you want to use the coordinate system of an existing project? No, we will upload or we will choose our own coordinate system, so select no. Okay, maximize the window. It is your project tree. Whatever you will form or made, like contours, faults, horizons, all these names will be displayed here. It is the summary of your project or your work, and your base map will be displayed here. Okay, first of all select the coordinate systems for your project. For that, go on project, XY projection method, other coordinate system, XY coordinates only, select universal transverse marker UTM. Okay, here you will choose the zone where your area is located. Let's suppose my area is located in Pakistan, so I know my coordinates are 42, but it is also further important to know where your area is located in your country, in the northern areas, in the southern areas. So if my area is located in the northern Pakistan, so I will choose 42 north, like this. But if my area is located in the southern Pakistan, so I will choose 42 south. So you need to choose your coordinate system very carefully, otherwise your lat long will be opposite on base map. So I am choosing 42 north for my project. Yes, now I want to change my coordinate system. Now you have to load your navigation files. For that you go on service, import world coordinates and 2D file. Go where your data is stored. My data is stored in your desktop. This is my file, loading navigation files. Here they are asking no items match or search, so on files of type go on other files, because not every file is loaded is shown here. Okay, click on the notepad format. Okay. And now, uh, they're asking lines to skip. We need no lines to skip. If we want some lines to skip, we will add 1, 2, 3, whatever lines you want to skip. But it is already arranged and I need no lines to skip, so it is 0. Click on line name. Your line name is here till this, and short point. These 3 numbers are your short points. X coordinates. These are your X coordinates. And these are your Y coordinates. Okay, click OK. Your base map is shown here, but now you need to load your short points on this. So do you wish to load segway data now? Yes. Segway is actually a file format in which the geophysical data is stored. So what is actually seg? Society of Exploration Geophysics. Click next. Here you will add your lines. You will load your lines here. There are the 2 formats, 2 methods from which you can load your data. Go on file number 1 and then segway browse in your project. These are your line. I am loading now line number 1. Okay, the next method is by double clicking just this is. Be careful your lines, if your lines are not in sequence. So if there is line number 4 after 2, then you don't need to load line number 3. You should load the same line as it is mentioned here. Like the line number 7, it is missing in the sequence 6, 8, and it is in the end. So be careful about that. Line number 4, 5, 6, and now here 8, not 7. 9, 10, 11, and now 7. So all your lines are loaded here. Next, finish. These are all the short points. Short points are the location where an explosion generates seismic waves. Okay, these short points are messed up, so you may increase the distance between these short points by going on survey annotation. Click any line on the survey and then add numbers 100, or any number you may add, 50, 50, 60, 60, according to your demand or according to the distance you want to get. Okay, apply annotation to all the 2D survey, apply, and okay. So your short points are displayed well. You may change some settings for the base map, like your margins are not adjusted, half of the coordinates are going on the left side, right side is totally plain. So you need to adjust margins. Go to view and settings, go to margins. I am setting it 5 or 6. You may set it according to your base map, left or right margins, top or bottom margins. Okay. Still my labels are going out, so we can adjust it by scale or anything. You may add scale, show scale bar. This is your scale bar, okay? And you may change size, 15 tetra 0 or whatever you want to give it. It is 15 7480. Back to original. Okay, you may minimize the size, or let's say the size 0.2 by going on setup. You may bold it much, like 900. You have increased the weight. Size 0.3. Okay, this is all what you have done for your scale. And this is the option for the coordinate grid font. These grids font. Go to setup. Like if I want to add Times New Roman, format. So I click on it. I want it to bold. I want it on size 11. So okay, apply it. And one thing more you can do is showing lines for the coordinates. Apply. Or show tick marks rather than lines. Apply. These are the tick points, but I prefer labels only. You may also change the colors of your labels, like green or whatever you want to add, but black is preferred as it is much professional, so it is your choice to play with colors. Okay, put your scale here, and that's it. Okay, you may zoom your base map by clicking on zoom in once click, and by click on that, the square will zoom this area. But I just want it to be in original size. Go to fit to view, and it is here. But you may also minimize it. You can save this map by going on print setup. You can take screenshot actually, but for taking the screenshot of the window you have open or on which you are working, like you want to take screenshot of your base map, then go to print setup, landscape, so that your whole the window will be screenshot A3 size. Okay, go to presentation plot and check these all options. It is on your choice. If you don't want to add legends or title box, then don't check these, but if you want to add them, check them all. It's okay. Select the folder where you want to save it. I want to save it on the desktop by the name mp5 map5. It will be in the PDF format. Save it. You may also open it and check. And there are some shortcut keys you can use. By clicking on F1 key, you can open the help window, and by Control plus P, your presentation plot window will be activated, and by Control plus T, printing RTL file will be opened.